up, YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick video showing you two great offerings from Sig. The one at the bottom is the Sig Sauer 716 G2 chambered in 308. This one's all stock, standard boat carrier group, comes with 20 round PMag, Sig Sauer grip, B5 stock, Keymod Handguard. I really like the way Sig did their proprietary handguard. The Picatinny rail is all one piece. It's pretty cool. This one actually belongs to a buddy, and I haven't shot this yet. But it looks like a beast of a rifle. And this one up here, this one is a pistol. This is a Sig M400 in 5.56. This came out a couple years ago, before the M400 tread. We got the SBA3 brace, Magpul grip, Daniel defense, fixed sights, Trijicon MRO, Magpul sling. We've got the BCM Gunfighter Keymod Handguard, Streamlight Protac rail mount with the pressure pad, Strike Industries flash hider. Like I said, this one's also Sig Sauer. I really like the way Sig does the ambi controls. You've got your magazine release, bolt release, magazine release, bolt release. And you have the standard mag release on the other side as well. Like I said, just two great guns, different calibers, great offerings from Sig Sauer. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and God bless.